Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll talk about the one of the most requested question, which is why you're uploading so many videos. Yes friends, this is the most requested question in my channel. So I'm getting this kind of question for the past 1 year. So not now, for the past 1 year I'm doing same kind of method, uploading so many videos in my YouTube channel every day. So now finally I thought of saying why I'm uploading and why I'm doing this kind of artwork and what makes me to do as well this uploading so many videos. That's what I'm going to address in this entire video. So try to watch till end of the video friends. In case if you want to know more details about me and why I'm doing this kind of thing, you will definitely understand my point and why I'm doing as well. In case if you have any other questions about me, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below. Anything about the personal or anything doesn't matter, you can definitely ask. I'll try to make this kind of face-to-face session every week as possible, maybe once a week. That would be really great. I'll try to interact with my subscribers as well, because right now most of the subscribers, they're asking me to come in front of the camera and talk to the camera directly, but usually I'm kind of shy person. That is the reason I'm not coming in mostly into the camera, but definitely I'll do my best to come in front of the camera and talk to you all. So in this video, I'll try to address why I'm uploading so many videos. For example, I did upload close to 500 videos on the iQOO 7 and 300 videos on the Realme X1 Max and close to 470 I think on the MLNX device, and the list goes on. Yes, each phone I'll definitely upload minimum 200 to 300. I'll try to explain you why I'm uploading this many videos on one single phone. So one statement I can give you and I can start. I just want to be the Wikipedia of the phones. That is the reason I am uploading so many testing videos. So if you're buying the iQOO 7 device, so if you search for the iQOO 7 any topic, you can definitely find in the YouTube. Yes, absolutely. Proximity, 4G, anything, any small detail you can find, weight, dual SIM card, anything. Because I just want to be the Wikipedia which helps the average user. That is what my main motive is. So now let's start with this kind of video friends, where I'll be explaining you why I'm uploading in detail. So in case if you like this kind of series, make sure to comment below. Next video I'll try to upload as soon as possible. So the first main reason why I'm uploading so many videos is not to gain more views. So I'm uploading so many videos because to bring the awareness among the people. So for example, if you're buying any kind of smartphone, you should know all the advantages and disadvantages, and you should be prepared even for the disadvantages as well. That is what I'm main motive of uploading so many videos. So if you cannot find any kind of disadvantages in your unit, then perfectly fine, you will be really happy. But if the user who got the phone with this kind of disadvantages, then he has an opportunity to apply for the replacement or return the phone if he doesn't like. So that is the main reason I'll be listing out all the facts. I'll just give you the facts, what is happening, the real life scenario and real actual user scenario. That is what my main motive is. And none of the videos are like sponsored or like review units at all. If there's any kind of review unit, I'll definitely announce in every video. So the phone which I got for the review, that is what my main motive is. But still, even if I get to the stage where I will be receiving the review units, so I'll not definitely I'll not go against my values. That is what I would say. Even after reaching many subscribers, or maybe 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, I'm not sure, but if I reach to that stage and still I will be able to upload, I'm very much confident that I'll be uploading so many videos like how I'm doing today. Same way I'll try to do even after getting so many subscribers. So subscribers and views at this point, that is not the motivation is. So for me, the true motivation is actually is within the comments which I get, positive comments. That is what my true motivation of uploading so many videos. So whenever I read the positive comment, I'll try to definitely reply and love and take the screenshot. I'll try to save in the gallery. So later when I'm getting disappointed that I'm not getting so many views and not getting so many subscribers, I used to read all the positive feedbacks, and that gives me more motivation. Yes, that is what I do friends every day. That is what makes me to upload so many videos as well. And I really feel happy doing this, helping the people. And some people, they don't they will not agree with my disadvantages, and some people they will agree. The only point I'm trying to mention all the negatives as well, because you should be prepared. That is what my main point of pointing out the negatives about each and every phone. Some people, they will definitely say that why you're talking about so much negative about this company, you don't like, or why you're talking about negative about this company, you don't. That's not like that. It doesn't work like that for me. So basically, I like every phone and every brand. I treat equally. The same test procedure I'll try to do in every phone and every company. So that's what you should understand friends. That is the reason I'm trying to upload more and more videos, just to bring awareness. So next thing, to gain the views, absolutely I can. There are many other ways to gain the views. So for example, I can just upload one video each day and I can just relax. But I'll get the views and I'll get the subscribers, but that's not, I don't like the way I do like that. That's a really yes. Because if I upload the one video and I'll get thousands of requests. So can you please do that video? Can you make this video? Can you make this video? I cannot reject. That is what my type of doing is, because I cannot reject. Whenever I see the comment asking me for a request of that video, I cannot reject that. So that is what I am, and that is all my channel is about. So I hope you will be understanding why I'm uploading so many videos. So not to gain the views, but to help the viewers. That is what my main motive is, and this will continue even not now, even further as well. So I hope I won't change. That's for sure. As long as I'm aware, I won't change. So even if I get the review units, I'll try to be the same as now. And the second main reason is because of some of the users, they are first time buyers of the high-end mobile phones. That is the another reason. For example, a person comes using the mobile phone for the past 4 years, which is around 10,000 rupees, and he saves a lot of money to buy the iQOO 7 or maybe the Realme X1 Max or other smartphones, so which I have got right now. So that kind of person will definitely have a lot of doubts, so many doubts, because it's their savings, it's their months of savings to buy a smartphone. And if the smartphone has got all the disadvantages, then he'll be really disappointed with the money, whatever he saved. That is what I don't want in the viewers. So that's the reason I thought of uploading so many videos and helping the users who are actually saving the money to buy a smartphone. So that's what my videos are designed, friends. For example, I did upload close to 500 of videos on this iQOO 7 device, and all those were only requested by the subscribers. That is where all the videos are designed. So few of them videos definitely I will have to choose, but few of the videos, I think most of the videos, 90% of the videos are requested by the subscribers only. They are the first time buyers of the premium and mobile phone, and they want to have the confidence before buying. So that is the reason I'll try to explain each and every small things. So small things matter for some users, and for some users they don't care small things, they will definitely care of the big things. And these are the few things, friends, why I'm uploading so many videos. And absolutely, if I want to gain more views, there are other ways to do. So I can just upload one video a day, and I can just play some PUBG game, and I can gain the views. So I can do live streaming, I can gain the views. But that's not the way I like to do right now. That is the reason I'm not doing it at this point. I just want to bring awareness among the people. That is what my main motive of uploading so many videos. So in case if you have any other doubts about this, so make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely that will be really helpful. And a lot of people, they do ask me why I'm not doing videos in the Hindi. So that video maybe I'll try to discuss in the next topic. Maybe next week I'll try to talk. So every week I'll try to take one of the topic which is quite interesting and which the users want to know from me. So I'll try to discuss, so I'll try to maintain this kind of interaction with the users as well nowadays. So these are the few reasons, friends, why I'm uploading so many videos, not to gain the views, just to bring the awareness and to show you the facts. That is what I just want to be the Wikipedia of the phones what you're buying. That is what my final conclusion. I can definitely give you that. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And in case if you want to support me and follow me, don't forget to hit the subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.